Students, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to everyone. Today I have been faced a lot of technical problem. I think now it is okay. If you are in class, so please comment in the comment box that you are present. At first, students, I am telling about myself. My name is Mohammad Fazlul Haq, Instructor, Non-English, Rangpur Polytechnic Institute, Rangpur. My subject name is Communicative English and subject codes is 65722. In subject code is 65722. Total marks 100. It is my first lecture. Date 9th August 2021. Students, I hope all of you are fine by the mercy of Allah. I am also fine by His mercy. Okay, students, I am now going to the next slides. In this slide, and this slide is about discussion on syllabus. At first, which topics are included in your syllabus? You can write down in your khata. When you will be attending the class, you should keep your khata and pen with you. I am narrating to you about the syllabus that are included in this semester. Firstly, students, there will be some passage. The passage will be unseen to you, and from this passage there may be some questions. The question will be true, false, multiple choice, fill in the gaps, and short questions according to the passage. Then this passage actually unseen to you. This is called, it is unseen passage. Then there are some, the topics are greetings and farewells. In these topics, what types of speech are greetings and what types of speech are conveying farewells, about this has been discussed. Then the question will be communication and presentation. It will be discussed next elaborately. Then there will be the syllabus preparing a series of questions. There will be some questions, how to make question. These topics, how question is made on about it in these topics has been discussed. Then there will be short notes or short questions on different topics. For example, holiday, write a short note on holiday, write a short note on traveling, on leisure time, or short questions, narrate what is about the importance of English language. Such types of question will be here. Then students, after that another question will be in your syllabus, making an attractive poster and writing some ideas on the poster or picture. So it means in the questions there will be given a poster, and then you have to write some ideas of you in your khata. That's in your exam paper or your khata. Then students, another topics are preparing 7 days or 5 days weather report. Actually you have to write down about weather report. What is weather, what is today's weather, what will be next 4 days weather, about this you have to write down. Then narrating process or instructions, that means you have to write on a fixed topics. That will be happened one after another serially. Then after the students describing charts or graphs, there will be question on chart or graphics. Here there will be given a chart or graph. You will have to describe the chart or graph. About these questions will be happen. After that you will find completing stories or writing stories, that's mean narrating stories. Here the beginning part of the story will be given and you will have to complete it. I think you have knowledge about it, and then you will have to practice about completing the story here. Then letter to the print and electronic media. Here how a letter will be written to the print or electronic media, here it is discussed. Then letters of complaint, inquiry and cancellation letter will be discussed. Then dialogue writing here will be discussed also. Then preparing job applications with CV, that means curriculum, you have to write an application with CV about it. Here it has been discussed, it is discussed, here it will be discussed. And then application writing, then paragraph. Actually these are including syllabus in these semesters, that means on communicative English. Actually here students, by these topics you will have to practice, on 4 skills of English language. That means on listening, speaking, reading and writing. You have to try to speak English, you have to try to listen English with understanding. Then you have to write any topics on English fluently. About this we will have to discuss. Actually gradually I shall discuss about it to you. Then students, I am going to the next slide. Today's slide names is actually today's topics that has been discussed to you. It is greetings and farewells. What is greetings? Actually the words that are used for exchanging cordial wish with one another are called greetings. Greetings is very essential for talking and conversation and in dialogue. Actually greetings is an act of communication in which human beings intentionally make their presence known to each other. Actually greetings, students, I think you have to understand, that means their words are called greetings when we exchange by these words with one another to express our feelings or our wish with one another, with other. Their words are called greetings. We have to use these types of words when we meet. Actually, there are two kinds of greetings. They are formal greetings and another is informal greeting. Formal greeting is actually the definition of formal greeting is the greeting that maintain rules of greeting is called formal greetings. For examples of formal greetings, good morning, good afternoon, good day. Actually, students, good morning, good afternoon, good day. Actually, these are examples of formal greetings because these words are called formal greetings because these greetings actually maintains, they follow the rule of greetings. Then time of greeting. Good morning, we will use the greetings word good morning from after sunrise to up to 11:59 am. In this time we may use good morning. Then good afternoon from 12 pm to up to 6 or 7 pm. In this time, within this time we may use good afternoon. Then good evening from after 7 pm to up to midnight we can use these greetings words. Then informal greetings, actually here the definition of informal greetings, the greeting that does not maintain rules of greetings is called informal greetings. For example, hi, hello, hey. Actually students, here it is definition of informal greetings. Hey, hello, hi. These greetings actually does not maintain of rules. That means we can express, we can share these greetings anytime. Anytime we may use it at day or night, anytime. That means these greetings actually does not follow any rules of greetings. That is why these words are called informal greetings. Actually in a word, students, we may say that the words that follow, that maintain rules of greetings, they are called formal greetings. And opposite greetings, that means the words that means the greetings that does not follow rules of greetings is called informal greetings. Formal greetings maintain rules, informal greeting does not maintain rule. Actually, I think if you study, then it will be clear more to you. Then students, I am going to the next slide. Here this slide, here farewell, about farewell has been discussed. Actually the words that are used at the time of departure are called farewells. There are two kinds of farewells: formal farewells, informal farewells. Farewells, actually students, the words that are used at the time of departure are called farewells. There are two kinds of farewells. Number one is formal farewells and another is informal farewells. Formal farewells, the farewell that maintains rules of farewells is called formal farewell. For example, goodbye, good night. Actually, goodbye and good night, these farewell words actually it maintains rules, it maintains follows of farewell's rules, and that is why these words are called formal farewells, and informal farewell is the farewell that does not maintain rules of farewells is called informal farewells. For example, bye, bye bye, tata, just see you again. Actually these farewell words do not maintain any rules of farewells, that is called informal farewells. Actually farewells actually the definitions of farewells, actually when we are departed from other, then we have to use some words. Actually those words are called farewell words, and it is also two kinds like greetings. It is formal farewells and informal farewells. Formal farewells actually it maintains rules of farewells. There is rules of farewells, and the words that actually maintains the rules of farewells, actually it is called formal farewells, and its example goodbye, good night. And informal farewells actually opposite of formal farewell, the farewell that does not maintain rules of farewells is called informal farewells. Actually students, I am going back to the topics. Actually today I have faced many technical problems, and after trying enough, I have been able to show my slide to you. For this, the class has begun late. So students, I have come back to the slide again. Basically here discussion on syllabus, I have discussed the syllabus, that means which topics are included in your semesters. Actually this subject, the total mark of this subject will be on 100 marks, and there is 40 marks is your pass mark out of 100 marks. Okay students, you should write down your name and your roll number in your comments box, and it will show that you are present in the class. So students, please write down your name, your department and shift in the comment box. Actually I have already discussed which topics will be in these semesters. Actually there are many. There will be, when you will get a question, you will find a passage. Actually this passage will be unseen to you, and there will be some questions according to the passage. There will be true false questions, multiple choice question, fill in the gaps, summary writing, short questions according to the passage. You will have to you will get a passage. Then students, there are some topics. There are some topics. About on the topics, there will be some question on the topics. The topics are fixed in your textbooks, and the topics is here. The topics is greetings and farewells. The topics is communication and presentation. The topics is series of questions. Topics is short notes, short questions on different topics. Topics is attractive poster, and you have to write ideas on attractive posters. Topics on weather report. Topics on narrating process on instructions. Topics on chart or graphs. Topics on completing stories. Topics on print on electronic, that means topics on a letter to the print and electronic media. Topics on complaint and inquiry and cancellation letter. Topics on dialogue writing. Topics on CV writing, application with CV, normal application writing, and topics on paragraph. Actually, these are the your syllabus. This is the syllabus of you, and about this you have to practice. Besides these topics, you have to practice on 4 skills. You know, there are 4 skills in English language, and the skills are listening, speaking, reading, and writing. You have to try to speak English fluently. You have to try to listen the English topics with understanding. Then you have to try write down on a topics in English fluently. Then you have to get the skills, that means reading skill. If you read any topics in English, then you may understand. You have to gain this skill. That's when you have to practice. We have to practice on 4 skills here. These are the topics in your syllabus. Then students, I have already discussed about the topics, that means greetings and farewells. Actually, when at the meet with other people, firstly we have to use some words, some exchanging words, cordial wish words. Actually, these types of words are called greetings. Actually, the words that are used for exchanging cordial wish with one another are called greetings. Actually, greetings, it is a very essential thing for conversation, for speaking in our dialogue situations. When we speak with other, to use cordial words. So you have to know about cordial words, when we may use it. Actually, it is this greetings is an art of communication. When at first communication, in the situation, in the communication system, in the communication time, we use greeting words. Actually, these are 2 kinds. There are 2 kinds of greeting words. I have already discussed. In this plot, there are formal greetings and informal greetings, and I think we have already understood which types of greetings are formal greetings and which types of words are called informal greetings. In a word, formal greetings actually maintain rules of greetings, and informal greetings does not maintain rule of greetings. Then students, in the farewells, actually there are some words we may use at the time of departure, and these are called farewell words. There are two kinds of farewell words. It is also formal farewells and informal farewells. Actually, formal farewell words, they follow the rules of farewells, and informal farewell words, they do not maintain rule of farewells. That means, students, as it is the first class, next class we shall discuss other topics elaborately. Then I think you have understood. Then no more today. I thank you all for your patient sharing and watching. Okay, see you again next class. Stop sharing করে দেবো হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ স্টপ না আমি এইটা স্টপ